We at Canon are proud to announce the release of the official version of our EOS webcam utility software for Windows. Now let's learn how you can turn your compatible Canon EOS camera into your main webcam using only a USB cable. What's up everyone, I'm Renato, Senior Pro Market Specialist for Canon USA. And in this video, I will show you how you can use your compatible Canon EOS camera as a high quality USB webcam for your online video conferencing and live streaming with a Windows computer. This video is divided into 3 parts. In part 1, we will learn how to install the software on your computer, how to set up the camera, and how to enable EOS webcam utility within your favorite application. In part 2, we will learn about the updates from the beta version, and in part 3, we will talk about our support materials and our online community, which may be helpful for you. So let's get started. Before we start, if you have the beta version of EOS webcam utility installed on your computer, be sure to uninstall it before proceeding. To begin, you will need to download the new software. Head over to our service and support page to download EOS webcam utility for Windows. The link to the page is provided in the description below. If you are based outside the United States, please visit the Canon support website for your local region. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file and double-click on Setup. After installation, you will need to restart your computer. And don't forget to check out the included README files that are in the zip file. They will have some tips on how to get the most out of your experience with the software. Now let's get your camera ready. First, turn on your camera and place it in movie mode and set it to a full HD quality setting. Then adjust your exposure settings to your desired look. Once you've locked in your exposure, you can then connect the USB cable to the camera. Now the next step. Connect the other end of your USB cable to one of your USB ports on your computer. From here, open your favorite video conferencing or streaming application and locate EOS webcam utility in your video settings. Select EOS webcam utility and you can now use your compatible Canon EOS camera as your dedicated webcam. But if you don't see your live feed and you do see any of the following error screens, please visit our website to learn more details to help troubleshoot. If you still need further technical support, head over to our support page for more assistance. As you can see, I'm currently using a traditional USB webcam as my video source. But once I switched over to EOS webcam utility, I am now using the Canon EOS RP as my new web streaming camera, offering a better looking image for all my online video meetings and live streaming.